Now Kunti, she is further telling Karna. Oh my Karna, my son, she wept as she related the story of his birth. He was her son, she said, amid tears. He was her son, a prince of noble blood of the house of Pandu. He was the child of Surya, the sun god, whom he had worshipped a moment earlier. He was her first child, the eldest of the Pandavas. Arjuna was his brother. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva, all were his brothers. So now Kunti goes to Karna and she is emotionally talking to Karna. Oh Karna, my son, my son. Now what she had thought to tell the secret of his birth, now she tells everything. She related means she tells the story of his birth. Okay, she cried. Okay, amid the tears means between the tears she is crying and saying that you are my son. So I did all these things. I have set you afloat in the river Ganga and you are my son. She says everything about. He was her son, a prince of noble blood means so he was the eldest of all. Okay, eldest of all the Pandavas. He is the one noble personality. He was the child of Surya, sun god. Okay, he was the child of Surya, sun god because he born by invoking the god Surya, right? So he is the son of Surya, sun god, whom he had worshipped before a moment. Before Kunti was coming to the river Ganga, so he was worshipping sun god. Yes, by closing his eyes. Yes, he was the son of Surya. He was her first child. See, Karna is the first child of Kunti. Precious gift he was in fact, right? He was eldest of all, like Arjuna, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva. So all were his brothers. He was the eldest of all these Pandavas. Okay? Now, how emotional it is. It is the Pandavas you should lead, not Duryodhana's armies. Lead them. Come now. Join your brothers. Defend them against the Kauravas. My heart has been heavy within me all these years. Bring me peace now. See now, Kunti is convincing Karna that it is the Pandavas you should lead. You are the leader of the Pandavas. You are the emperor of the Pandavas. You should lead the Pandavas because you are eldest of all. You should lead the Pandavas, not Duryodhana's armies. Lead them. Come now. Come to the Pandavas. Join your brothers. Who are his brothers? Arjuna, Bhima, Yudhishthira, Nakula, Sahadeva. So all these five are his brothers. Kunti is telling that join your brothers. Defend them against the Kauravas. You make them strong against the Kauravas. See, my heart has been so heavy by putting the mystery, the secret of your birth. So all these years, I just kept my heart heavy. Bring me peace now. Means, so now I have revealed your secret of your birth. Now bring me peace. Now let's see what happens. Do you think Karna will accept the truth what she has said? Let's see that. Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. He spoke to her in sad, gentle words. Indeed, I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya, but Adhiratha raised me. Adhiratha gave me father's care and gave me his name. Radha is my mother. She lavished love and affection on me. She shared my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. When Kripa challenged me, see now, Karna embraced means hug gently. He hugged Kunti, okay, and wiped. She's crying. That's why he wiped her tears. He spoke to her in sad, gently, slowly, that indeed, even though I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya. Indeed, even though I am a son of Kunti, born to Surya, sun god, but Adirathas have raised me. Adiratha have raised me. He is the one who raised Karna. He is a charioteer in Duryodhana's kingdom. Yes? So he is telling, Radha is my mother. She gave me all. She lavished me. Lavish means give something generously. She lavished love. Okay? She lavished the love to Karna. She gave me mother's love. And Adiratha gave me father's care. They have cared me and they have seen me growing up. Okay? And she shared my infant joys. Infant means childhood joys and sorrows. Happiness and sorrows proudly watched me from child to a man. Okay? From a childhood to manhood. Okay? So this was happened that Adiratha have raised me, Radha gave me mother's love, okay, they have watched me growing a child into, proudly they have watched growing me, a child into a man. All these things have happened even though I am a prince. When Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage at the tournament, you could have saved me, mother. If only you had revealed the truth then, perhaps things would have been different now. When Krupa is the guru, so he was the guru, he was a teacher, okay, at that time, who is teaching all the emperor's kid all the knowledge. That is, see, at that time, so they went for one of the Gurukula to learn all the knowledge, to learn all the activities, okay, to learn all the games, ethics, everything, okay. At that time, what happens? So there was a tournament held between Kauravas and Pandavas, that who will be doing their best, okay. So there was a tournament held to watch or to know who is the best among all. At that time, so Karna had went on with all the challenges given by, okay, he crossed all the challenges. See, at that time, it was only possible by the emperor's kids, okay, means but with the only prince can do that. Now at that time, Karna, he come across all the talents, okay, he come across all the challenges given to him. At that time, Krupa challenged, asked that to reveal the parentage, means who are you, because it is not possible by the ordinary people. You are just a son of charioteer, whereas these challenges can be done only by the prince. Who are you? He challenged at that time. So there was no answer for the Karna to give, because he don't know the secret of his birth. He thought that Adiratha himself is his father. So that's why he was quiet at that time. So now Karna is telling Kunti that when Krupa challenged me to reveal means to tell the parentage, you would have told at that time that Karna is my son, but you did not. If you would have told at that time, now things would be different. Everyone would have known that I am son of Kunti and God Surya, but you did not. Now Kunti, son, with tear-filled eyes. Kunti protested means she opposed. I couldn't tell at that time. My situation was not being able to tell at that time. Karna said, it was Duryodhana then who befriended me and stood by me. He rebuked Bhima when he flung hot words on me. To Duryodhana, it did not matter that I was a mere charioteer's son. See now, Karna is telling that, so it was Duryodhana then at that time who befriended me. Befriended means become friend, especially when they are needing help. Okay, when somebody is in trouble, if another person is becoming friend at that difficult time, we can say that befriended. So it was Duryodhana at that time who befriended me, means who has become friend in my difficult timings and stood by me, means he supported me. Duryodhana also rebuked. Meaning of rebuke is scold. Okay, Duryodhana scolded Bhima. Why? Why? Because Bhima was also very angry that Karna has faced all the challenges in the tournament. That's why Bhima was very much angry and he flew hot words, means he scolded Karna. But there was a Duryodhana who again rebuked, means who again scolded Bhima. Why? Because Bhima is scolding to Karna. See, you will also experience this situation, right? See, when somebody scolds your friend, your best friend, you again scold the person who scolded your best friend, right? Yes or not? Like that, Duryodhana and Karna were best friends. So, when Bhima is scolding Karna, Duryodhana scolded Bhima. Yes? Very good. Hot words on me. To Duryodhana, it did not matter that I was a mere charioteer son. No matter. So, I was a charioteer son. But no, it doesn't matter for the Duryodhana that I am a charioteer son. He built a friendship with me. Okay? He bonded with such a relationship or the friendship that he gave me wealth, a kingdom, power, armies. More than that, he gave me friendship, a lifelong friendship. Okay? See, Duryodhana, he did not just give me friendship. He gave me wealth, he gave me kingdom, he gave me armies. So, he gave me power to lead. So, not only that, he gave me friendship. What kind of friendship? Lifelong friendship. Mother, would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? Would I be worthy to be a warrior if I deserted the Kauravas to join Pandavas? Would that be right? Would it be just? Would it become of Karna? Now, see, he is telling all these things to Kunti. Karna is telling all these things that, yes, of course, I am a son of Kunti and son Surya. But Adiratha have raised me, he grew me up. Radha gave me mother's love, whereas Duryodhana gave me wealth, kingdom, armies, power. More than that, he gave me friendship. And always he supported me, he stood by me. So now, if only for the sake, if I come to the Pandava side, would I be an honorable man? So would anybody will respect me? Would the people will honor me? Will I be the honorable man? If I deserted him now, the meaning of deserted means disloyal or leave. If I leave Duryodhana, do you think people will honor me? He is asking Kunti, would I be worthy to be a warrior if I deserted Kauravas to join the Pandavas? Would I be a worthy, means am I really capable or able to call as the warrior, the emperor, to leave, to join Pandavas? Is it really good to leave Kauravas who had brought me up? Would that be right? You just tell me. He is asking Kunti. You just tell me, would that be right? Would it be just? Or it is right or wrong? Or it will be as usual as you are telling? As normal as you are telling? Is it very easy to join Pandavas by leaving Kauravas who has helped me all these years? He is asking Kunti. Would it become of Karna? Is it really suitable for Karna? He is asking. Let's see what happens. Karna's smile was tinged with sadness. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. See now, Karna's smile was tinged. Okay, tinged means come down with sadness. Now he had come to know the secret of his birth. That he has come to know that he is the son of Kunti. But still, he is loyal towards his friendship. His friend. He did not leave his friend for the sake of his brothers. Okay? It was a difficult choice. See, it is a difficult choice, right? Karna's smile was tinged with sadness. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. He held honor, duty and friendship above everything else. Would I not be a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? He said. Kunti had no answer. She was heartbroken. She bent her head in sorrow. So now, Karna's smile was tinged, means come down with sadness, disappear with sadness, changed into his smile changed into sadness. It was difficult choice for Karna. Why? Because one side there is a best friend of him, another side there are his own brothers. So it was difficult choice, right? So to choose anyone, it's a difficult choice. Why? Because he is the best friend who had always supported him and helped in his difficult times. But in another side, there are his brothers. It was a difficult choice for Karna to make it. To whom I have to support, to whom I have to join. But he did not hesitate to make it. Okay? He has, with all the honor, with all the respect, he has chosen Kauravas, that is his friend Duryodhana. Okay, he rejected, okay, that about to join Pandavas. He held honor, he held his honor, sort of honor, respect, duty and friendship. See, he valued his friendship, he respected his friendship above everything else. Okay, that is above the wealth Duryodhana has given, above the armies, above the power, above everything, that he valued his friendship. Okay, he respected his friendship. And also he is saying that, would I not be a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? He is asking his mother Kunti that, would not I call as a cheater now? If I leave Duryodhana and join Pandavas, would I not be a traitor? Okay, would I not be called as a cheater if I leave my best friend who had supported me in my difficult timings? He's asking. Desert, if I leave him now, desert means to be disloyal or to leave. He said. Now Kunti had no answer. She is unable to answer for the questions of Karna. Okay? She was heartbroken. Why is she heartbroken? Her own child, Karna, is not ready to join Pandavas. Okay? She is heartbroken now. Both the sides, one side Karna, who is eldest of all his sons, another side all his 5 sons. Okay, so both the sides his children only. Okay, now she is heartbroken. What she is unable to do the things in a right way. She bent her head in sorrow. She is helpless. Kunti is helpless. She can't save either Pandavas or Karna. War will be held. So she is very sad, right? This is all about the heart of the story of Mahabharata. Okay, it is just one of the heart scene situation. Okay.